Okay. This is the so-called sawing heart 7-point pulse. This is the normal pulse area, 寸关节, and this is the tendon. This area is heart 7. The heart is the heart channel, number 7, 寸关节. It's very smaller than this. So try to remember this. Right hand is positive. Okay, you can say it's male. Left hand side is the female. So a lady, when her right hand side has very strong heart 7 pulse, that means she might have too much male hormone, and she is very bossy, no doubt about it. And if she doesn't have enough jumping or forceful condition on her left hand side, means that her female hormone is very low. The other way around, a man, his right hand side, the heart 7 should be strong, and the left hand side should be weak, because man is positive, is young. So the right hand side, the heart 7 pulse should be strong to present her sex, his sex hormone is good enough. You know what I'm saying? So I'm using the heart 7 pulse to determine their hormone condition, which including thyroid hormone. Thyroid. If they're too strong, that maybe his thyroid is hyper. It's too weak, or even not detectable, that means hypo. And you can somehow verify his or her blood pressure, her face, her circulation, her blood pressure, or her ear point, the thyroid area. So this heart 7 represents the hormone, sex hormone, female or male, doesn't matter, and thyroid hormone. When the pulse is undetectable, the hormone is low. It's very easy. Any questions? You know how to take the pulse? It's very clear. I put the picture here. Should be very easy to understand. 寸关节, very small, okay?
So can I summarize again real quick? Now the left side is estrogen, right side is testosterone, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so men is supposed to have a stronger right side heart 7,
Yes.
and women a stronger left side heart 7, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now next question is, if for a woman, both sides are equally very strong, what does that mean?
That means this woman is very bossy. She's yelling at her husband all the time.
Okay, but the hormone for the left is the estrogen is normal, so that doesn't matter. We don't look at that. We just look at the right side, right? Because it's strong.
What's that?
So what I'm trying to say is, you say that, okay, for women, for example, if the right side is strong, that means she's bossy.
Yep.
So if the left side is super strong, what does that mean? She has too much estrogen?
Yes. Her sex drive is very strong.
Ah, I see. So if a woman has a very strong testosterone on the right side, her sex drive is not very strong?
Not necessarily. I always ask them if I find out the heart 7 is very strong. How many kids do you have? I have 7. 5, 4, something like that.
So what does that mean? The husband's sex drive is very strong, or the wife?
It doesn't matter. Mostly
both. Okay.
No. Mostly it's the wife's hormones strong.
Oh, okay.
And husbands are kind of weak and stagnant.
So when you say it also represents the thyroid, which side is the thyroid again? Sorry.
Thyroid has no right or left. It's just a general condition.
So how do we detect the thyroid? So on the woman, let's say again, okay, left side is supposed to be stronger. So if that is weak, that also means the thyroid is weak. Is that what you mean? Okay. So on a man, the right side should be strong. And if it's weak, that means that man's thyroid is also weak.
Yes, metabolism, all the energy is weak.
Okay. Is that clear, everybody? Any more questions on the heart 7 pulse? Okay, good. Let's go on to the